The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all. What?
Yes, he's so cute. Oh my god.
Welcome back to another one, and this will be episode 2 for the Grow series. So if you never watch the Christmas one where we're doing like the gift and unboxing and stuff, so this is part of my gift. The other one just came the other day. That one is so big that I could take like a whole day to set up. So that's gonna be a total video by itself eventually. So this, what we're doing today, is the solar water drip system or the solar irrigation system. So as I said before, we did order additional driplets. But these ones are for the more, say, the bigger size, because you know with the drip tube you got different size. So this is like an 1/8 of an inch, and these are like the 1/4 inch. So these are for the bigger size drip tube, but I probably get them work just by wrapping probably like tape on the end for it to get bigger so it can lock in. All right, so we have the drip tube. We got 2 sets of the drip tube, and we got the smaller drip sticks or the spigots. So we got the smaller one that works with this tube. So I think there's about probably like 15 or 18, don't quite remember. And this is like the stand. It comes with a dual piece for the stand that you could, like if you're gonna stick it in the dirt, you put the peg in the dirt, and this part mold will be mounted on the solar panel. But for my work, for my one, I'm not using this part. I will be screwing this on the top of my reservoir, which is a container. I don't know if you can see the container right here, the bucket. I'll be screwing this straight to the bucket, so the solar panel will be on top of this. And it comes with the water siphon and a filter. The filter is so that it cannot pull up dirt in the water. So if for any extra particles in the reservoir or the water tank, it doesn't pull up anything. And this is it, guys. The solar panel. Yep, this is the solar panel.
It gives light to the panel.
No, it doesn't give light.
I see those, they're like on farms and they light up.
No, these don't light up. This catches radiation from the sun and give you power.
And it goes back to the crops?
Yeah, it pulls electricity or power from the sun. So it powers the pump, so the pump can feed the plants.
So what is the pump?
There is a pump. So there's a water pump in the back of this. So I have the bucket right here with the water already. So to get the water from the bucket, the sun will power this on and pull the water from the bucket and send the water down through the drip tubes into these little spigots to the crops. Yes, exactly.
So we just go really fast. That's
Yeah.
why it's like a slide. Like,
Yeah, so it'd be like this.
oh,
See?
so the light just goes like that. So down, so one tube over there, and it drops back.
So you see it, Grace?
And the reason why you don't turn it like that, because sometimes some water could be stuck in the turtle. That's why you only put it straight. It could just slide down.
Something like that.
Like sometimes you have to.
Yeah, so this is it, guys. So I'm gonna do a full setup right now with the water, with the mounting the panel and the water stuff, with the water container. And if you never know, we have some of the containers planted on the back. So after I finish it up the water container reservoir, I'm gonna top it up with my my plant food. Can you pass me that green box over there for me, please?
This one?
Yeah, take your time and hold it. Yeah, plant food is heavy. Yes. So I'll be mixing this in my water. It's a plant food, nutrients based, and the ratio is at 24, 8, 16 for the NPK. So it's getting like 24% nitrogen, which is good for first growth, and potassium, NPK, phosphorus. So 24% nitrogen and phosphate, 8% phosphate, and the other one should be, what is the last one? Micronutrients, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. You got like 6%, 16. Yep. So I don't know if this will be too much. It got a lot of micronutrients as well. Magnesium, zinc, iron, copper. So I don't know if this will be too much, but this is what I'll be using to feed them like on a daily basis. So it would be like a hydroponics drip system set up fully. So you're just feeding the nutrients right straight through. And this will be the same nutrients I use for the hydroponic system itself. Everything is over there in the corner. So, all right, let's go right into it. Okay, so this is a 5-gallon bucket. As you can see, I already have it full with water. So this will be my reservoir. And what I want to do is to run the sensors. It comes with a sensors. Put it over there. It comes with a sensor, like a high and low sensor. So these will be down in the water. So this will send a signal to the pump. Say, for example, it's on a program features where it should water. So if the water probably drops below the level, it probably will give you a notification or something, or make an alert or something, or it won't turn it on to water it. But yeah, this part should be submerged in the water, as they have right here. Yeah, so this is these two sensors down in the water and the filter down in the water as well. So that's what I'm going to do right now. But my bucket comes with a cap. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to punch a hole in the cap with my drill to send these down in it. So you can see, I think you guys can see right there. So you got an in and an out. So the intake will go here. So I'm gonna try and get this on. All right, so there we go. All connected. So we got our in and our out. And for the line that's going in, we're gonna put the filter on it. So there it is. Yeah, so the filter is down in there and the sensor. Yep. So that's how we want it to be. And wait, I still put the bolt on. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm not going to close the bucket up, but I want to get that nutrients in. I want to get that nutrients in. No, you can't angle this way. This is dangerous. This is dangerous stuff. Okay. As you can see, guys, the nutrients is already mixed. We got the sensors and we got the filter. Now time to close this baby up. We got pretty much the reservoir set up with the solar. So we're going to take it to the back. We're going to go around the back where the pots are and set this baby up. All right. All right. So I'm starting with this side first. So I have the drip sticks, I got the teas, and I got my scissors. So that's all I need right now. Then I have to slide this all the way in. I don't know why they build this side so long, but there you go, like that. And I only need probably about, let's see, 3 inches. Only like 3 inches. So one down, guys, and about 20 more to go. Like the video, guys, share, subscribe. You understand? So first of all, match up that section, yeah, quick and fast. To the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another sea. So, finish on other side there, guys. I'm gonna keep that test. You never test it yet still. Don't know if I get enough power with the sun out now. But we're gonna try and turn it on and see if me I get out of it. This one. You see, guys? It's dripping like crazy. Woo. It's a lot of drip. See this one? Yes, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go line up all of the tea them with this, with the drip of them. So that way they work out easier for me at first. Let me just push them on, but I tell you them still tight. You know, you don't want to bend them. Get them on, so about like 3 inches. Keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Okay, so we have all the drippers them line up, guys. Yep, ready for plant them out now, for line them up. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Just another season. Just like another season. And that is it. Nice. All the way to the very last one, guys. So I'm telling you, this is very good. This is very good right now. Yeah, guys. And the sun come out right on it too. Yep. So for those who is new to the channel, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned for the rest of the update, guys. Yep. Stay tuned, guys.